In this video, we're going to talk about the Wikitext type field. This type of field is used for recording text with Wiki Markup. Wiki Markup, or Wikitext, is a markup language used to write pages in Wiki websites such as Wikipedia. It's a simplified alternative to HTML. Using this, we can write detailed descriptions or write detailed data to custom fields that we use in our trackers. We're going to see its formatting options, some of the advanced options, like tables, picture inserting, linking, both for external URLs and artifacts, and how the file upload works. For this demonstration, I'm going to select one of my requirements and edit one of the default fields, which is the description. So let me open up that requirement in the detailed view, and we can edit its description because it's by default a Wikitext type field. I'm going to open it in a bigger screen, so it's more visible what we're going to do. All the different options are available down here. So we have the formatting options, the advanced options, link options, file upload, etc. When we are talking about the formatting options, we're going to see all of the default formatting options that you usually see in edit text editors. So when I select something, of course we have the bold, italic, underline, etc. So we're not going to spend much time here because these are something that is widely used not only in the Wikitype text fields, but in any other text editor softwares as well. Next up, I'd like to mention one of the great advantages of this Wikitype text field is that we can easily insert any images that we'd like to use in our description. And once I've saved that, it's going to stay within our work item. So it's really easy to add any images or any detailed descriptions to our requirements. So let's go back to the edit mode and let's see some other features. Going to the advanced options, first of all, we have the insert table option. So I'm just going to add the table of 2 by 2 where we can populate any kind of details. Let's just put title, description, and of course we can add additional rows, columns, and formatting here as well. Next, we have the Wiki Markup. So we have the options to use Wiki Markups that are built in, so we don't need to create all of the formatting by ourselves. A few examples for those is that we can add some information, some warnings, some errors. So let's just do one. It's going to say test information. And of course the styling can be chosen here as well. It's going to stick with information. Once we insert that, our markup is going to be generated, and if I go ahead and save it, of course it's going to be rendered in our browser. Let's go back again to the description, and let's check out some of the other options. Staying with the advanced options, we can insert or edit a diagram right here inside the Wikitext field. So by clicking on that, we're going to be prompted to a draw.io interface where we can create our diagrams, and these diagrams can be saved immediately into our Wikitext type field. So I'm just going to create an easy diagram here just for the sake of the demonstration, and if I click on save, this is going to be saved immediately into our field. Of course, if I want to go back and edit this diagram, I can do so by double clicking on it, and then we're going to be prompted back to the previous window, and I can do any modifications I'd like to. If I save it, it's going to be updated. Again, if I save the changes, these changes are going to be visible in my requirement. Let's just go back and check out some of the other features as well. So I mentioned linking at the beginning. So we have the options to add external and artifact links as well. We're going to take a look at the artifact link. So let's say I'd like to refer to some other requirement or release or any additional work item that we have. For that, we can use the artifact link. Once that's open, we can see all of our artifacts, and of course we can filter on the one that we'd like to use. So let's just say I'd like to add the clear and concise HMI feedback. If I select that, click on insert, it's going to be inserted as a link, and I can just say that this requirement is related. After saving the description, it's going to show up as a requirement. So we're going to see the type of this work item based on the icon that is populated automatically. And if I click on this, we're going to be navigated to that requirement inside of CodeBeamer. So let's just go back. Please keep in mind that adding a link like this is not going to create any connections or references between the work items. It's just there for the ease of navigation and for more detailed information, but it's not going to create any references or associations in the backend. Lastly, let's take a look at the file upload options. Let's click on the upload file button, and I'm just going to select the document. This document is going to be uploaded here in the description. Once I save it, I have the option to click on this, and then it's going to be downloaded, and I can review the document that is attached into my description.